everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. If you guys remember, we had this lovely lady with a toe that was deviated, and underneath, once I cut it back, there was a little tiny hole. So this is 2 months after, and then this is what it is. So you can see that the hole is gone. The nail has grown back out, quite healthy. If you look at this picture over here, we cut all the way back. There's no pink healthy tissue at all. So it just naturally grew back, attached, and then and quite healthy. So what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna clip some of the lifting off. Cut away some of the debris that's on the nail itself so that we can clear it, because sometimes when you have debris, it stops the nail from growing and it jams the nail and buckles up the nail. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, extend all the way out for me, please. Fantastic. I'm going to spray some antiseptic. So we've got this new antiseptic here. It's called Toenails. I used to use chlorhexidine, but it's supposed to be better for the practitioner. It doesn't contain alcohol, so it's just easier to, it doesn't kill my lungs. But I've been using vaccine for a very, very long time. But it's quite a strong kind of antimicrobial, and you can actually use the product to spray it on your foot. That's what they said. I haven't used it myself personally, spraying stuff on my foot all the time. But yeah, you can have a look at it here. So I'm just going to cut a little bit.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.
So I think a lot of you commented to say that what will happen to the toe when you cut it back. Well, sometimes patients can become very, very lucky and it can grow back healthier. So this is a case where it's grown back healthier.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.